Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in today's episode, we are going to go over the platform Groundfloor. Now, Groundfloor is a real estate investment platform where you can invest in short-term, high-yield real estate debt investments, projects. And you can start with a minimum of $10, and you don't have to have cryptocurrency. So I want to start sharing ways for you to create income streams without crypto. And every Thursday I'll upload a video on an opportunity or strategy or idea to take your money to the next level. So I'm going to go inside the platform. Now this video is going to be kind of short. I am going to share with you what it looks like when you invest on a small amount and what the back office looks like. And like I said, I'll go into more detail in another video. My link will be in the description, so you can click on that link so you can take a look around yourself. And let's go inside. So first of all, what you're going to do is come here. When you come in and sign up, you'll be able to see projects that you can invest in. All right. You'll be able to choose a project. Now, what I tend to do is my strategy is to find projects where the term is almost ending, and then there's some other things that I consider as well. Now, and it tells you what the rate of return is going to be, what the loan amount is going to be, what's remaining due to them. So let's go inside. So once you click on the project, like this right here is one of my projects that I'm in. Okay, so you're going to I look at this area here. Skin in the game means how much money they put in. I consider that I look for experience in borrowers. I look for that. The quality of valuation report. This number, you kind of want to be high, but this one I chose, it's low because they are experienced. Their profit margin is pretty large, 81,000. And so just as a test out, this is new to me. I just started this week, so you guys will get to see my journey in this platform. So I want to show you guys, let's see if I can go to show you guys how much it says I'm going to make in here. I don't know what's going on with this thing. This computer is going slow with my, I don't know if it's because I'm recording. I'm trying to check you guys. Okay, here it is. So I came in with $30, and down here it gives me a breakdown of what that $30 is going to give me. So this is what your back office is going to look like once you put your money in and you choose your projects. So the term was 6 months. I came in, I think it was only a month or so left in my in the term when I chose this, and it matures on September 29th, and I'm expected to earn 10 cents off of the $10. Okay. And then here, the other two that I put $10 into matures in October, and I'm going to earn 14 cents. So what will happen is once I earn from these projects, then I'll take it and then I will put it in other projects. But what I'm also going to be doing is putting in $30 every week toward this. Now, if you can't afford to do that and you just want to put your $30 in and kind of let that work for you, then you can do that. But my plan is to put in extra money every week so that I can grow the amount of that I'm investing and then compound that. This is like a long-term um, investment opportunity for me where I'll be able to, as I grow it and over a period of time, and then pull money out as needed to fund other projects or fund my business. Okay. This would be considered capital gains when you pull your money out of here. So you want to um, have a business so you can lessen your taxes, okay, off of the profits you make in this, Novatech, or any other um, investment um, stream of income that you are in. All right. So I don't want to make this video too long, but I will do a more thorough video on this. Like I said, I'm going to share every Thursday an opportunity, and then I'll do other videos to give a more extensive overview on them as well, on other opportunities. So if you want to check this out, the link is in the description. And oh, what have I been working on? I have a radio station, guys. I launched a radio station, R&B and Jazz.com. If you like old school R&B and you like jazz, smooth jazz, you want to check out my radio station. Why did I launch a radio station? Because it is a stream of income for me from the advertising from listeners. So I'll talk about that some other time as an income stream for you. So that is it. That is all. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.